My chemistry teacher literally told me not to use this app. Here's why it got me 95% on my test, and why teachers are suddenly nervous about students using AI. The app is called NotebookLM. It's free. It's absolutely powerful. And yes, your teachers probably don't want you knowing about it. Here's what happened. I had a chemistry exam coming up. I was nervous. I'd never scored above 80% before. I uploaded my entire chemistry textbook PDF to NotebookLM and asked it one simple question: create a study guide for a student who gets 80% but wants 95%. NotebookLM didn't just give me a study guide. It created a 15-page comprehensive guide, videos explaining concepts I didn't understand, 50 practice questions matching exam difficulty, explanations of why wrong answers are wrong, time management tips for the exam. I spent 30 minutes reading this, then took a practice test. I scored 93%. The actual exam? 95%. Why teachers hate it? It's not that they hate AI. They hate that students were spending 2 hours studying before, now they spend 30 minutes and score higher. That disrupts their entire grading curve. But here's the thing, this isn't cheating. You're still learning. You're just learning smarter. Here's how to use it without your teacher knowing. Don't just copy answers. Use NotebookLM to understand concepts. Read the AI-generated study guide. Understand why things work. Then take the exam without cheating. That's the ethical way. That's what I did. And that's probably why my teacher got suspicious. 95% was unusual for me. But I learned the material genuinely. If my teacher had asked me to explain anything on that exam, I could explain it perfectly. That's the difference. So yes, NotebookLM got me 95%. And yes, teachers hate it. But if you use it to actually learn, not just cheat, you'll dominate your next exam. Try it. Upload your textbook PDF. Ask it to create a study guide. See what happens. Which subject should I do next? Let me know in comments, and I'll create a video on the best AI app for that subject. Subscribe if you want more exam hacks that actually work.